Welcome to our channel. Pull and push shots start on incorrect lines without curving, costing you accuracy and consistency. These techniques help you find the fairway more often. Step 1. Understand that pulls and pushes result from path issues, not face issues. Pulls occur when you swing left of your target with a square face, while pushes happen when you swing right with a square face. Step 2. Check your alignment carefully. Many golfers unknowingly aim left or right of their target, creating pulls or pushes. Use alignment sticks during practice to develop accurate aim. Step 3. For pulls, identify whether you're swinging over the top. This outside-in path sends balls left. Focus on dropping the club more inside during transition and rotating through impact. Step 4. For pushes, check if you're dropping too far inside. An excessively inside-out path sends balls right. Work on maintaining connection between your arms and body rotation. Step 5. Monitor your shoulder alignment at address. Open shoulders promote pulls, while closed shoulders encourage pushes. Keep your shoulders parallel to your target line. Step 6. Practice with impact tape or foot spray on your club face. Strike patterns toward the heel or toe indicate path issues contributing to directional problems. Step 7. Use gate drills during practice. Place alignment sticks or tees, creating a gate just past your ball. This provides immediate feedback about your swing path. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.